Hi guys, nakita niyo na ba yung 21-day Carlos Agassi Challenge? Ang gagawin mo lang dyan is follow mo yung workout plan na ginawa namin ni Mrs. Tsaka diet plan. Kung ayaw nyo naman, just do everyday walking na 15 minutes. That's lessen your calories. Or just eat unlimited cabbage, cucumber, and watermelon. Tapos puro egg whites. Hindi kayo tataba dyan, pero magastos ng konti. Tsaka sasakit siya nyo pag marami kang kinain. Kasi pure protein lang, tsaka yung carbs na halos walang calories, tas puro mga nutrient-based. May mga macronutrients yan, yung watermelon, cauliflower, cabbage, cucumber. And then, 21 days. Let's see what happens. Tas hopefully, makapag-workout kayo kahit bodyweight push-ups lang, bodyweight squats, plank, bodyweight pull-ups. Tas kung sa gym, lagyan nyo lang ng weights yun. Aim for 10 proper reps, proper breathing, proper form. So balikan nyo ako, tingnan natin ano maging itsura nyo. Carlos Agassi Challenge, Carlos Agassi Moment. Tama kayong bali ako na